Welcome to another episode of Advanced Ears, the show designed for advanced English learners who want to improve their listening skills while exploring complex and thought-provoking topics. I'm Mark from mksenglish.com, and today we're discussing one of the defining issues of the 21st century, the ethics of artificial intelligence and human decision-making. Artificial intelligence is already helping doctors diagnose diseases, assisting judges in evaluating legal cases, recommending financial investments, and even driving vehicles. As AI becomes more capable, an important question emerges. Should machines make decisions that affect human lives? Today, we'll explore both the opportunities and the ethical dilemmas surrounding AI. As you listen, pay attention to advanced vocabulary, complex sentence structures, and expressions commonly used in academic and professional discussions. Let's begin. So, what do we mean by artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, often abbreviated as AI, refers to computer systems capable of performing tasks that traditionally required human intelligence. These tasks include recognizing speech, interpreting images, making predictions, solving problems, and generating language. Modern AI systems can analyze enormous amounts of information within seconds. Unlike humans, they never become tired or distracted. Because of this, many organizations believe AI can improve efficiency and reduce human error. However, intelligence alone does not guarantee wisdom. Knowing how to make a decision is very different from understanding whether that decision is morally acceptable. Next, let's talk about the promise of AI. There is no doubt that AI has enormous potential. In healthcare, artificial intelligence can identify diseases earlier than many doctors by recognizing subtle patterns in medical scans. In agriculture, AI helps farmers predict crop yields and detect plant diseases before they spread. Scientists use AI to analyze climate data and discover new medicines. Businesses rely on AI to forecast demand, manage inventory, and improve customer service. These applications demonstrate that AI can become an extraordinary tool for solving problems too large or too complex for humans alone. When used responsibly, artificial intelligence has the potential to improve millions of lives. Next, let's talk about the problem of bias. AI is not yet truly objective. Every AI model learns from data created by humans. If this data reflects human prejudice or historical inequality, AI may unintentionally repeat those same mistakes. Imagine an AI system used for hiring employees. If it learns from decades of hiring decisions in which one group was consistently favored over another, the AI might conclude that this pattern should continue. The machine itself is not intentionally discriminating. It is simply recognizing patterns. Nevertheless, the outcome remains unfair. This illustrates an important ethical principle. Technology may automate decisions, but it also automates human biases unless those biases are carefully addressed. Accountability. Suppose a self-driving car causes a fatal accident. Who is responsible? The passenger? The software engineer? The automobile manufacturer? Or the company that trained the AI? Perhaps even the government that approved its use is responsible. Well, these questions have no simple answers. Throughout history, responsibility has usually belonged to the person making the choice. Artificial intelligence complicates this principle because the choice may result from millions of mathematical calculations that no individual completely understands. As AI systems become increasingly autonomous, society must redefine accountability. Without accountability, trust becomes impossible. Next, let's talk about human judgment versus machine logic. Human beings often make decisions based on empathy, experience, intuition, and cultural values. Artificial intelligence, by contrast, optimizes measurable outcomes. Consider a hospital with only one available intensive care bed. Who should receive it? The youngest patient? The person most likely to survive? The individual with the greatest responsibility to others? No algorithm can answer these questions objectively because they involve moral values rather than mathematical certainty. Ethics cannot always be reduced to numbers. Some choices require compassion rather than calculation. Privacy in the digital age. Artificial intelligence depends on data. The more data it receives, the more accurate it often becomes. However, collecting that data raises significant concerns. Every online search, purchase, photograph, and location can contribute to a digital profile. Many people willingly share personal information without realizing how valuable it has become. Companies argue that this information allows them to provide better services. Critics argue that constant surveillance threatens personal freedom. The central ethical question is not whether technology can collect information, it is whether it should. The future of employment. Artificial intelligence is transforming the workplace. Some occupations may disappear entirely. Others will evolve dramatically. History suggests that technological revolutions often create new jobs while eliminating old ones. The Industrial Revolution replaced many forms of manual labor, but also generated entirely new industries. The same may occur with AI. The challenge lies in ensuring that workers have opportunities to develop new skills rather than being left behind. Education and lifelong learning will likely become more important than ever before. Can AI be creative? Well, one of the most surprising developments in recent years has been AI's ability to produce music, paintings, stories, and scientific ideas. Some people believe creativity is uniquely human. Others argue that creativity simply involves combining existing ideas in novel ways. If audiences enjoy a piece of music created entirely by AI, does it matter who or what created it? Perhaps the value of art lies not only in the final product, but also in understanding the thoughts, emotions, and experiences behind its creation. This remains an active philosophical debate. Next, let's talk about if AI should replace human decision making. Perhaps the most important question is not whether AI will become more intelligent. It almost certainly will. The most significant question is how much authority humans should delegate to machines. AI excels at analyzing information. Humans excel at understanding meaning. Rather than replacing human judgment, perhaps AI should strengthen it. A doctor may use AI to identify a disease, but the conversation with the patient still requires empathy. Technology works best when it enhances human abilities rather than replacing them entirely. Glad you could get through all that. How'd you do? Well, next, let's review some advanced vocabulary from today's episode. Ethics. Moral principles that guide behavior. Ethics. Bias. An unfamiliar preference for or against something. Bias. Accountability. Responsibility for actions or decisions. Accountability. Autonomous. Able to operate independently. Autonomous. Surveillance. Close observation or monitoring. Surveillance. Delegate. To give responsibility or authority to another person or system. Delegate. Optimize. To make something as effective as possible. Optimize. Compassion. Sympathy and concern for the suffering of others. Compassion. Objectivity. Making judgments based on facts rather than personal opinions. Objectivity. Philosophical. Related to fundamental questions about existence, knowledge, and values. Philosophical. Before we finish, consider these questions. Would you trust an AI doctor more than a human doctor? Should governments regulate artificial intelligence more strictly? Or should innovation continue with minimal restrictions? There may not yet be one correct answer, but asking thoughtful questions is often the first step towards making wise choices. Artificial intelligence is one of humanity's greatest technological achievements. Yet every powerful tool reflects the values of the people who create and use it. The future of AI will depend not only on advances in computer science, but also on our commitment to fairness, accountability, and human dignity. Thanks for listening to this episode of Advanced Ears. If you enjoyed, please subscribe and visit mksenglish.com for lessons, vocabulary resources, and also advanced English courses. Until next time, keep listening, keep thinking, and keep expanding your English. Bye.